Hi guys, Chatty Batty asked if my wife ever asked me to 3D print anything. So here's an example. The idea is this fits on the dishwasher door handle to let us know when it's actually in use. Haven't tried it yet, but we'll have a look. I might even paint it eventually, but we'll just see if it's the right dimensions first. There's our dishwasher. No external indication whether it's in use or not. So that's just going to sit there like that. That simple. It's not in use. Out of the way. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.